Well, back here at home, new video of the moon over Tequila tonight. Just gorgeous. Doesn't convey really the temperatures now they're going to drop, does it? But sure is pretty.
That is beautiful. Oh, yeah. We're already down into the 30s. We're going to see snow tomorrow morning again. Wait till you see the 7-day forecast. When you talked about the chill, our highs are going to be in the 20s. Yeah, so we'll get to the 7-day in just a moment. Hey, look at this great shot. Share your photos with us. Let us know what you're seeing out there. Shubha sent this from Issaquah Highlands. You can see the hills just covered with the snow early this morning. Another one for you from Nat Heather photo in Enumclaw. Very artistic. I love the snowflakes in the background. And it looks like we have a better chance to see more of this tomorrow. Now, we're down to 35 at SeaTac, 33 in Tacoma, 35 in Shelton, and 31 in Arlington. Snow levels tomorrow starting off at about 500 feet, but they will fluctuate. They will go up and down a little bit more, especially up across the north. So Bellingham, places that are down to 200 feet, likely to see the snow. How much? At least 1 to 3. Once the snow falls at about 9 or 10, it's going to turn over to rain, and the snowfall levels will shoot up to 1,500 feet. They will stay above that throughout the weekend, so the snow will be in the mountains, and it's going to pile up by feet by the time we get into Sunday, and then we'll have to wait till next week when snow level is down to sea level. Next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Question is, where will the moisture be and how much will be left over? It looks like Tuesday, Wednesday are a little bit iffy with the moisture. All right, so Futurecast, 3 o'clock in the morning. Here you go. You're sleeping, you wake up in the morning. Look at this, 5 o'clock, pretty much widespread snow almost everywhere. You are starting to see a little bit of rain over through the Kitsap Peninsula after you got the snow, or after you get the snow rather. 7 o'clock, here comes the rain. Now watch this line right here, changing the snow in the Olympics back over to rain, at least for a part of the afternoon. That's 12 o'clock. That is heavy rain coming down. With the rain, of course, we're going to have some wind, gusty winds out of the southeast. Snowfall estimates for the lower lying areas, again, 1 to 3 inches. And this map brings 3.5 for places like Bremerton, 2 for Everett, almost 1 inch for Bellingham. Again, the winds will be coming in out of the southeast tomorrow as opposed to the northeast wind. We'll start to see that next week. We're going to see those winds, Bellingham at about 20 to 23. You will see a weak northeast wind for a moment. After that, you start to see it coming in out of the southeast again. After that, we'll continue with breezy conditions throughout the weekend. Winter storm warnings for the Cascades and the Olympics, and high wind watches along the coast and through the northwest interior. Snowfall estimates for the mountains by the end of tomorrow, about 1 foot. By the end of Saturday, 2 feet. By the end of Sunday, 3 feet plus. Here's your 7-day forecast. The cold blast that comes in. Look at those numbers. Overnight lows, teens and 20s. Highs, Joyce, Mark, anywhere from 26 to about 28 degrees.